Okay, let's have a look at the question. Write a program to print the Fibonacci series up to n terms. Yes, everyone might be knowing the theory about the Fibonacci series, right? Fibonacci series up to n terms. So if they are given 6, you have to print out 6 terms. Okay. So in this Fibonacci series, the number starts with 0 and 1. This is the first term. T1 I'll take this as T2. And after this second term, for T3, I need to take out the sum of these two. That is nothing but 1. T4, the sum of the previous two, that is nothing but 2. T5, I'll be taking out this 2, that is nothing but 3. T6, I'll be taking out this one, that is 5. It goes on. Getting it? Fibonacci of any term, it is nothing but the sum of the previous two terms. Sum of the previous two terms. I'll move on to the coding part. Here, what I'll be taking is I'll be taking out the n value here. Next, any other things I'll be taking out later. So they ask us to print n Fibonacci terms, space separated, right? Please check out that boundary condition also, otherwise it will be difficult. Okay, up to, and look here, we have got space in between. Okay, test cases will help us answer it. So space separated Fibonacci terms. Okay, I'll take out the scanf here. Scanf percentage D. And next thing, I'll need to run a for loop. I can say for I equals to 1, I'll be starting with the first term. Okay, I less than or equals to n, I need to go up to n number of terms, and I plus plus. Inside this, what I'll take is, before this itself, I'll take T1, the first term, equals to 0, and the second term, T2, equals to 1. I'll be initially taking out this. Okay, equals to this one. Okay, now when I'm going to tackle this, if they're going to ask us to print the first Fibonacci term, I'll just print on the values. Printf percentage D, and that value will be T1. Okay, that value will be T1. Or for our clarification, I'll give it as term. Okay, I'll give it as term, because this term will be equals to T1 here. This term will be equals to T1. So just to take it off that, I will take out T1. Is it clear? I'll be printing T1 here. Now each and every time I'm printing T1, it means T1 should be updated. Okay, T1 should be updated. Now what will be the next term? Next term is nothing but, so I'll take out T next. That's nothing but the next term. Okay, is equals to, next term is equals to the sum of the previous two terms, T1 plus T2. Next term is equals to T1 plus T2. And what I have to do, I need to increment the value. T1 equals to T2, and T2 is equals to the next term. I'll be updating it. That is nothing but T next. Getting it? I'm shifting that value. Okay, I have updated the value. Now I'm updating T1 and T2. T2 is the previous one. Now it will be keep on updating it. And if you're going to print it, it will print the value. And we have got to know that we have to give one space. So I'm giving one space here. So we'll check out with this. Yes, what are the terms we have used? We have used T1, T2, and we have used T next. We have used T next here. And we have used I. Yes, anything else we have used? No, right? Okay, then I'll give out 5. I need to print 5 Fibonacci terms. It should be 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Yes, is it getting clear? 0, 1, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. And for more updates on similar videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.